now the sister-in-law of the peacemaker, Tony Blair. She has something to share with you today, and I leave it to her to share it with you. Lauren.
Salam alaikum. 6 weeks ago, I went to Iran, and I went to a holy shrine called the Mezume Shrine. And I was there with a friend of mine, and I didn't know what to expect when I went there, but she put me in a chador, and we walked through the crowds to the main area. Well, in Iran, in this shrine in Qom, in a very holy city, I took hold of the bars of the shrine itself, and I said, Allah, thank you for putting me on this journey. And if you can spare some time to look at Palestine and ease their pain, that would be great. And then I sat down on the floor of the shrine, and I felt an overwhelming sense of peace. It's like a feeling I've never ever had before. I couldn't move for a very, very long time. I was so overcome with the feeling of absolute joy. It was like being in love. It was like being somewhere else. It was like being in myself and not myself at the same time. And that night I slept on the floor of the Mezume Shrine, with the women and the children having their food on the floor. And when I woke up in the morning, I knew that my life would never be the same again. So what I wanted to share with you today is that my name is Lauren Poole, and I am a Muslim. The first time I've said that in a public place, and I couldn't think of anywhere better to share it than with people like you. And now my daughter has something to say.
Takbir! Takbir! Takbir!
Allahu Akbar. Thank you.
مؤمنة وحب غضيك بدمنا نفدي هالغضية. ما نمد للذلة ايد وما نبايع آل أمية. هذه صرخة من قلبنا توصل العالي الثريا. شيعة ونباه باسمنا كل من على هالوطية. من نحب حسين يرضى رب الأكوان ونبيه.